Right, mic check. Hey, sound check. Mic check. 1, 2. Nakakonecting na ng microphone ko. I think that was the problem right there. Yun! I go to close-up. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. And ngayon, it's Thursday and it's Copy Trading Thursday and I have big news for you guys. Let me share my screen. And big news is... let me open my eToro and tignan nyo yung dashboard ko. Ano ng kulay ng star ko? I'm now a champion. Champion popular investor na po ako. And I've been sharing this to you guys. I've been keeping this public, all my trades to you guys public because I want to share my popular investor journey with you guys. So I'm now champion and with this, ang benefits ko is it's either $400 or $800. I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask, how can I get $800 or $400? I think it's it depends on the AUM that you have. AUM means amount under management. So I'm now getting $400 at the very least. That's 20K on top of my trading. That's why I want you guys to become popular investors. I want you to learn how to trade. Maybe if you really want it and you become good at it, then share your skills to everyone. And just like me, ilang buwan lang yon, nag-apply tayo for popular investor. Now I'm a champion and now I will be receiving monthly payment from eToro next month. I think next month pa to, or is this gonna start now? I'm not really sure. But that's 20,000 pesos to 40,000 pesos that I get monthly on top of the earnings I get from my trading, di ba? So if you wanna ask me, pwede bang gawing full-time ang trading with copy trading? Yes po. Pwede nyo i-share ang skills ninyo. Pwede na kayo pasweldohan. And just like that, kahit na hindi nga ako mag-live everyday, I don't trade everyday. I showed you that I don't have to trade everyday, but I can be a fund manager. And voila! Diba? So, hopefully, this inspires you to be better in trading. Sama-sama tayo. Sama-sama tayo maging popular investor. Popular investor, hindi meaning sikat, but that's just a term for traders na nagpapakopya ng trades nila dito sa eToro. Okay? Okay? So, popular investor, ano ba yung susunod na level? So, ito yung abangan natin. Hindi ko na-memorize feature popular investor. I'm now a champion. So, I receive $400 or $800. Start payments refers to whether average monthly AUM grew 1% in the previous month. Pwede ako maging 800 if ever tutubo yung AUM ko ng 1% compared to previous month. If ever mas maraming mag-copy sa akin, then I will receive 40K. Ayun. AUM percentage payments are calculated monthly, X percentage of average AUM divided by 12. Alright. So, dumugo na ilong ko sa formula, but I'm very happy na I'm getting extra, diba? Next target po natin is going to be elite. Right? 1.5% or 2% of my AUM. Magkano ba AUM ko? If I reach this, but I need to be champion for 4 months before I become elite. Sakit nun Dati kasi, cadet, then, I don't know what the term was, umabot na ako ng elite dati. I was receiving 50,000 a month. Then, medyo na busy ako, mangingisda.org, etc. and everything. I stopped. So, I have to start again from the beginning. That's why I'm sharing my journey with you guys. But, yun. I just want to make sure you guys are hearing me properly. Alright. So, yan. Let me go to the comments really quick mamaya. Alright, so, next target natin is gonna be going for elite. How much will I get if ever elite na ako? Just in case elite na ako ngayon. So, I have 57K in my AUM. AUM meaning amount under management, CALC. Alright, so 57,000 times 50 in peso kasi. So I have 2.8 let's say 2.8 million, I will get 1.5%. Minimal lang. Huwag tayong mag-expect na napakalaki. Times 0.015. Tama ba? 1.5% di ba? So, that's 42,000. 42,750. Liit. Parang gusto kong mas gusto kong mag-maintain sa ano. Gusto kong mag-maintain sa champion. Hindi. The goal really is to reach, ano ba yung level na yun? Elite Pro. Pero minimum AUM, dapat umabot ako ng 500K. So let's say I reach 500K. $500,000. 500K is, asan ba yung calculator ko? Nawala. Sa ngayon pa lang yun. Hindi ako magiging elite if I don't have 500K AUM. So 500 times 50 times 0.015 divided by 12. Right, so I will get minimum 31,250 a month. Okay, if ever mag-elite ako. Or 2%. Otherwise, pero lalakihan ko dapat ang equity ko. Right. Anyways, kaya yan. Right? Join me in my journey. Follow me. If ever you want to support me with my journey, I need to reach 500K AUM. Right? So meaning, lahat ng kumukopya sa akin, dapat aabot na yung funds ng 500K USD. As of the moment, I only have, I have $57,000 AUM. So, total ng pera ng mga kumukopya sa akin, amount under management ko is 57K. Not a bad start, di ba? So, let's go to the comments kasi may gagawin ako sa portfolio ko ngayon. Actually, I can show you my history. I'm buying some, and I am selling some. Dapat, asan yung sell ko? Dapat yung Microsoft ko, ayun, naka-cancel na. Pending close na. So, I'm already selling my Microsoft positions. Okay? So, binibenta ko na si Microsoft ko. And also, overall, nasa 17% ang gains natin kay Microsoft. About time to sell it because Microsoft, if makita nyo naman, MSFT. Right, so I'm seeing weaknesses from Microsoft already. And about time to sell it, so I'm gonna be selling my Microsoft. Right, so bebenta ko mamayang gabi. Right, also, ano yung nasa position ko? FB. Right, it's already on pending close. Right, nakita nyo po dyan. Let me just zoom in. Pending close na po siya. I am up 19% sa FB ko. Facebook, I'm closing my Facebook. Why? Right, just technical analysis for you guys. Actually, kahapon ko siya na-decide i-close eh. May weakness na tayo dyan. Buti yung makiat naman si Facebook. But I'm still closing it today. If you check out the technical analysis dito, I'm seeing weaknesses na kasi RSI. Right, let me open that one. Then Facebook. Ayan. So, dumarating na tayo sa over. Ayan. Pag dumating kasi yan dyan, look at that, what happened before. And I don't want to be hit by that. We're starting to reach those levels again. Overbought na po tayo levels. Coming to overbought levels. If ever magre-red to. I don't really want to wait for it. Ayokong, kasi usually late na kasi to. Hindi ko na mabantayan. So I'm just gonna be selling it right away. I think it's gonna go up later. But I'm just closing it. I'm already happy with my gains. I'm closing that. And a few of my positions, I'm gonna be adjusting later tonight. Meron ako mga bibilhin. Look at Apple, my Apple. I'm buying a lot of Apple tonight pag open ng market. Right? I'm gonna be buying a lot of Apple stocks. I mean a lot. The majority of my position is gonna be bought into Apple. This is me breakout trading. Right? Tinuro ko sa inyo yan kahapon. Breakout trading. So watch me execute my teachings to you guys. I'm gonna be buying Apple tonight with a lot of a lot, right? That's gonna be around more than, yun yung pinakamalaki kong bibilhin ngayon, $1,700 with Apple in this portfolio. Okay? My main account here is just copy trading me. So, kung bibilhin ko dito, yung main account ko, which is I'm keeping private, sumusunod na dito. Diba? Anyways, so many adjustments I'm gonna be doing this week. Bibili pa ako ng more ng American Airlines. I'm gonna be buying more Tesla also. Since si Tesla kaka-pullback lang. Tesla. At least ma-follow niyo po yung trades ko. I'm gonna be sharing to you guys my trades. So, resistance siya, but pullback is there and then the balance is already there. I'm just basing this on the markets. We have bullish signals, so I'm confident that this will break out. Hindi ko na inaantay ng breakout. I'm just gonna be buying it off the bat since if ever, meron akong Tesla kasi, right? This is just me averaging down. If ever it goes back to support, pag swerte na ako dito, then I'm gonna be buying more just in case. Right? Para lang hindi ako maiwan, I'm just gonna be buying some since magta-take profits na ako sa mga majority of my positions. Right? So, yeah. Story of my trades. I'm sharing it with you guys. American Airlines, AAL. I think travel is gonna be big in the next coming years. Ito naman, medyo cyclical ko lang. So, I'm still bullish with AAL. Seeing a lower high right here. But, I've been reading a lot of research kasi when it comes to traveling with the COVID, with the vaccines. American Airlines is gonna be springing back. Actually, laki na ng kita natin kay American Airlines. So, I'm gonna be buying more later tonight kay American Airlines since malayo pa paglalakbayin yan. Right? So, I'm just gonna be buying more instead American Airlines basing on the market position and fundamentals. Right? Medyo off the bat ang technical analysis dito. I'm just gonna be going for a buy for this American Airlines. Actually, hindi eh. Let me just cancel that. Antayin ko na lang to. Antayin ko lang talaga to. I'm just gonna be closing that. So, I'm gonna be canceling that. I'll just, yeah, let's follow technical analysis na rin para maging good example sa inyo. Minsan kasi nagtatrade ako ng ganyan. When I'm convinced with the fundamentals already, I don't care about technical analysis since this stock is parang Bitcoin ba na halos hindi mo natitignan ng technical analysis. There are situations that can happen. Like this one right here because I think it's gonna go up in the future. I'm just gonna be buying it. But antayin ko na lang mamaya since I'm sharing my trades to you guys. I'm gonna be buying more positions later tonight. I'll share to you tomorrow ano pa yung mga positions na bibilin ko. Right? Benedict, let me go to the comments. Comments muna tayo. Benedict, Kabi, Sir Idol, good evening. Ishi Marimat, good evening. Sir Lloyd, good evening. From Kathleen Magdugo, Erlene Bernaldez, Benedict, thank you so much. Good evening po. Pwede po bang makahingi ng time set to buy na pinakita mo kahapon? Pwede po bang makahingi ng time set to buy na pinakita mo kahapon? Siguro, let's use Apple. No, not Apple. Sino nga ba itong bibilin ko? Tesla. No, Apple. AAPL. Let's go for Apple. Okay? So, Apple, nag-breakout. I don't need really time frame since I'm gonna be holding more of a mid to long term. So, I'm not really strict with the stop loss that much because mas mahaba po yung hawak ko. Ganito po yan. The shorter, let me just make sure ano yung pinapakita ko. Screen. Okay. So, ganito. Apple. Kaka-breakout niya lang. I'm gonna be buying Apple now. I don't really need to look at the time frames that much since I am going for mid to long term na positions. I'm not gonna be very strict with the positions. Pero, if ever mas shorter yung purpose nyo, yung isang swing lang, bebenta nyo kaagad, or especially if magda-day trade kayo and you're gonna be using leverage, you're gonna be stricter with the positions. Me, I'm more of a position trader. I'm planning to go for longer terms, so I'm not really strict with the current positions. I'm not really hindi ko na papasakitin ang ulo ko with the time frames. I'm just gonna be buying it off the bat since kaka-breakout niya lang. Swerte ko lang na hindi pa to lumipad. So I have a very good position for Apple. I'm gonna be trading breakout strategy for this, using the breakout strategy, And that's the breakout right there. Beautiful breakout. So I'm gonna be entering Apple. Good morning, John Nilo. Good morning po. Congrats, Sir Lloyd, from Kyle Pono. Thank you so much. D5 Ed, good evening. Congrats po on being a champion from Janilo. Alright, thanks Janilo. Janilo is also a popular investor. Check out his profile too. Alright, ang profile niya is Future 101. Yan, Future 101. And Future 101. Already recovering for April. Good job, Janilo. Alright, good positions right there for Janilo. Janilo's already a champion. So, kumikita na rin yan for sharing his trades. Okay? So, has so many copiers. 2,800 while ako, 100 lang yung copiers ko. Right? So, 111. Pero slowly but surely. Hopefully, guys, you copy me. Ako na po bahala mag-trade sa inyo habang nag-aaral pa kayo mag-trade. I always recommend that. Copy trade lang muna kayo habang nagsisimula pa lang kayo. Don't trade with your real money yet because that's gonna be a very risky move. Why? Ayan, copy trading Thursday naman tayo. So, let's be beginners friendly this evening. Bakit? Right? There are so many risks when you trade. Diba? The market being risky, you don't really know where it's gonna go, up or down. So we tried our best to play with the odds para to play in our favor, diba? So that is already risky for people who knows how to trade. Even for me, stock market is still risky. Alam niyo naman po yan. Meron kayong positions na magpupula at magpupula, right? So even for good traders, stock market is risky. But it is even more riskier. Right? Even riskier. Ang daming more tsaka riskier pa. It's even riskier for newbies. Bakit? The knowledge factor. Risk din po ang knowledge level ninyo when it comes to trading. What do I mean by this? Since hindi nyo alam ang ginagagawa nyo, that becomes a factor for you to create bad decisions. And bad decisions in the market can be very costly. So, it's gonna be very risky for you as newbie to trade with your real money just to learn. Okay, you can learn trading without using real funds or not without risking your funds a lot, right? Copy trade lang kayo, right? Huwag kayong maging greedy. Don't be greedy. It's not about earning on your first 1 year, even 2 years pagte-trade. It's about learning, understanding the market. You have to focus on your trader's development instead of earnings, right? So, lagay nyo lang muna sa copy trading. Let the good traders do the trade for you para habang nag-aaral kayo, tumutubo ang pera nyo. Hindi yung nag-aaral kayo habang bumabagsak ang pera nyo. It's gonna be messing up with your minds, and this is one of the reason why so many newbie traders quit. Okay? So take it from me, right? Sobrang hirap. It will take dedication if ever natalo na yung pera nyo and you wanna pursue. Ganun po ako nagsimula. It's gonna need dedication for you to continue. Not all has that. So I want you all to start easier. Hopefully, sana nga noon, I knew already about copy trading if nagsisimula pa lang ako. But walang influencer, walang daily grind noon, walang Lloyd Bazaar noon na magtuturo ng libre. And no one will introduce you to copy trading or eToro before. So, had to learn the hard way. Hopefully, you don't have to. So, just copy trade lang muna, and then while you try to learn how to trade. Okay, let's go to the comments. Podcast lang tayo ngayon. It's gonna be Podcast Thursday. Let's talk about copy trading. Let's talk about investing. If you have any questions, put it on the comments. Congrats, Sir Lloyd from Wing Gloria. Thank you so much. Jose Lumba, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Congrats po. Thank you so much. Next goal is elite, sir. Yes po, Janilo. Yun yung susunod natin na goal. Ilang months na lang kulang mo, Janilo, to become elite. At malapit na ma-elite si Janilo. For sure. May gabi, Rowena Villa, Wing Gloria. Hi, Miss Liza Dalapo. Alright. Congratulations, Sir Lloyd. More blessings to come. Thank you so much, Laura Napa. Haji, thank you. Good evening, Jong. Right, Liza Dalapo. Shout out to Wing Gloria. Alright. Ishi Marimat, congrats. Thank you so much. Lisa, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Dubai. Magandang hapon. -4 hours, diba? So, it's 4:30 in the, let's call it evening. Good evening to you guys. Lisa Dalapo and sa mga kapatid natin dyan na nasa Dubai. Alright. Arturo Tejero, Sir Lloyd, good evening. Wing Gloria, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Baler, Aurora. Da Vinci boss, right? May nagre-request about Da Vinci. Nga pala, PSEI update muna tayo. I share the screen. Alright. PSEI, strong resistance right there. Basically, I was expecting that. I was expecting a big pullback after the 3 white soldiers. It wasn't really a big deal. Bakit net foreign selling pa rin tayo? Look at that. Today, negative 811 million. Lumaki pa ang net foreign selling even today. So, yeah. Can't say it's bullish yet, but hopefully sideways na ang market natin. And baka bumuelo for a rally. I can't be sure. Right? Let's just wait for the market to do its thing. If ever mag-bullish man ang market, it's gonna be a very good time to trade. So you start trading or you can go aggressive during those times. But as much as possible, do not trade on this kind of market. It's gonna be very challenging. So may nag-request kanina about Da Vinci. Ayan. Ang charting na rin tayo, daanin ko na rin. Da Vinci, pulling back. So next bounce ni Da Vinci is gonna be your buy right there. Ito na yung buy ni Da Vinci. This is the reverse head and shoulder. It's already starting to rally. Let it pull back and bounce before you want to go in for Da Vinci. Good evening, Franz. Paulo Quivillas. Do you have any questions about copy trading? Or, and kung gusto nyo mag-popular investor, I can guide you guys. Alright, let me know if you have any question. Please share this video. Pakishare po itong video na ito para mas marami pa pong newbies ang magabayan natin dito sa Daily Grind. Thank you so much. Okay, Franz Gavillas, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ngayon lang ulit nakapag Daily Grind, lagging overtime sa work. Pa-check naman po si ℎ𝑑𝑠n and NKLA. Salamat po. Okay lang yan. Right? We're all working hard para sa future natin. Let's go. Let's go for your request kasi nag-overtime pa to si Franz. ℎ𝑑𝑠n. I don't know the fundamentals of these companies, so we're just gonna look at it purely on a technical standpoint. Hudson Technologies. Here. Ooh, good breakout. I mean, breakout right here, pero there's a second resistance right here. So this is gonna be very challenging. It would be, ang dami resistance pre. I would strongly suggest that you wait for the pullback and bounce. And sobrang lakas kasi ng rally niya, right? That's already too much. Wait for it to pull back and then bounce. Kasi ending nito, baka wala na tayong base. So better, share my screen. Wait for it to do a pullback and then bounce before you wanna get in. Okay, that's for Hudson, NKLA. Nikola Corp. Yan. Ooh, support. Okay. Mas mababang support, mas mababang resistance. Mas mababang downtrend pa pre. We can't say this is support. That support is right here. It's still collapsed. So nagda-downtrend pa yan. We don't have any signals even on the RSI. So we will need more data about this. But check out the fundamentals of the company. It might be the fundamentals that's been causing this. Kasi si Nasdaq, paakyat na di ba? Umakyat din naman siya. Pero the last couple of days bumagsak si Nikola. Taas AUM, sir, pag elite ka na. Tataas ang AUM mo, sir, pag elite ka na. True. Right? This is from Nathaniel Mamawag. Yeah, tama. You won't reach into elite if ever hindi darating sa 500k yung amount under management. So I have to reach that so I can go for elite, but I have 4 months to do that. So I guess that's my goal. That's gonna be my goal for the next coming 4 months of my life. Reach 500k AUM to go elite, diba? So laki yan. Alright, moving forward. Kailangan babaan ko yung microphone ko. There we go. Von Soriano, good evening. Lay Gatbondon, congrats po, Sir Lloyd. Thank you so much. Taas. Galing. From Nathaniel Mamawag. Kelvin Charles, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Notice some PI have floating cash in their ports tsaka unutilized pa din. Is it good idea to remove the fund and invest somewhere else? Thanks. From Kelvin Charles. No. That's because, like me, meron akong ready na funds. Hindi ko kasi all in mga positions. Right? There are positions na I'm gonna be starting to buy now. And then if it goes further down, I'm gonna be buying more. Or if ever mag-rally man siya, then I'm gonna be buying more. So, yung funds na yan, naka-standby lang yan because of the trading strategy of the people you're copying. If ever gagalawin niyo po kasi yan, hindi na maging proportion yung copying ninyo. And hindi na kayo pares ng results, right? So, just leave it there. It's not about the amount that's resting. It's about the percentage you get monthly, okay? So, okay lang yan. Kahit naka-standby yan. That's remember, not trading or not spending money is still a trading strategy, right? Kahit ako, meron akong funds na available na hindi ko pa ginagalaw, right? That's still a strategy. I'm keeping that funds available for adjustments if I need to. Sitting down is also a strategy. Remember that. Hindi nyo kailangan i-gastos lahat ng pera ninyo when it comes to trading. You don't have to do that. Right, Prince Sly, PSE po, AGI and green, pasilip po. Let's check out AGI and then green. Right, AGI breakout, that's good. Breakout strategy sana kay AGI nung nag-breakout ito. So it's sustaining and bouncing, respecting that support right there. So that's gonna be your entry point for AGI. After kay AGI si green. Right, sa green. 3 white soldiers na sa green ha. So usually this is a signal for, hindi po reversal ha. This is gonna be a signal na most probably tapos na yung current trend niya. Right? I think this is gonna go sideways already. We already have a support right here. If it pulls back and goes back to support, that's gonna be an entry for you. Or pull back and next bounce is gonna be the entry for you for green. Sir, tips regarding Elliott indicator. Sige. Well, we'll talk about Elliott waves technical analysis Tuesday. I'm gonna be writing that down. Elliott waves. Hindi pa ako gumagawa ng video about Elliott waves eh. So, I'll write that down. Hindi ako maka-edit. I don't know why. So, I'm just gonna write it down somewhere else. Right, so Elliott waves. Hi. Kakagising lang kasi. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Sensya na. Kasi lalagay siya sa microphone. Lalagay siya sa playpen niya sa likod ko. So, here we go. Kailangan na assistance. Bye-bye. Si Lyoric. Alright, anyways. Sige, Elliott Wave next Tuesday. We're gonna be talking about that. So stay tuned. Primex boss from Vil Salve. Primex. Ooh, Primex. One thing for sure, it's already scary up there. Kung gusto nyo makatulog, stay away from it. You guys are looking for fast cash. No, that's the wrong way to deal with the market, guys. Nakalipad na po yan. Stay away from it as much as possible unless you know what you're doing. The fact that you're watching right now, most probably newbie pa lang kayo. Stay away from that. Sasakit lang ulo nyo dyan. I tell you guys. Pagpeperahan lang kayo sa mga magagaling dyan. Especially yung market natin ngayon. Sir, paano pag-take profit sa copy trading or main account sa eToro? All you need to do is, let's go to my virtual portfolio. And then go to port. Let's say, for example, si fund manager Zek. I want to take my profits for... Nga pala, guys, tingnan nyo. I'm already up 42% from this guy, right? Copy trading. Wala akong ginagawa. The guy gave me 42%. In around 6 months lang. 42%. That's a lot. Right? That's the power of copy trading. So fund manager Zek, check this guy out also. It's been giving me a lot of funds already. Sayang kasi nasa virtual ko lang to. Nasa real ko dati si J Nemesis, but I had to close that because nag-apply ako na magpa-copy na rin ulit, diba? So when I was busy and really cannot trade, I opted for copy trading. So kumukopya lang ako. Ngayon, pwede na ako magpa-kopya, ako naman nagte-trade. So here, if you want to close out, let's say for example, I want to close out my position kay Fund Manager Zek. All I need to do is click this gear box right here, and I just click on stop copying. Click on stop copying, then second confirmation para ma-sure ni eToro na hindi nyo na misclick lang yon. Click on stop copying, then net invested, and then current profit loss. So I'm gonna be getting $1,200 from this guy. 1,200. Yeah, 1,200. Right, so value is 1,200. Okay, so that's how it works. That's how you stop copying. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Baka pwede pasilip si OV. Guys, sasakit o ulo nyo sa stock na yan. Hirap pasukin yan. Right. OV, try to get in if you can. On this slide, pumila kayo dito. That's a strong support right there. It's been holding on for how many days already? That's the best entry right there. Pero pahirapan pagpasok niyan. If ever mahirapan kayo, then enter here. That's gonna be your best entry points for OV. SSPG, Sir Lloyd from Nazareno. Good evening, SSPG. Ano si SSPG? SPG siguro. Are you talking about SPG? Simon Properties? Don't know about the fundamentals of the company. We're seeing strong resistance right here. There's the support right there. Get in the support or breakout if ever you're looking into this stock. Sir, maganda po bang pasukin si Rolls-Royce? Tingnan natin. Ano nga ba yung code ni Rolls-Royce? RR ba? Let's check it out in eToro instead. rr.l. Ayan, rr.l. Ba't iba? Alright, let's just check it out in eToro instead. Rolls-Royce. Mali place spelling ko kanina, sorry. Maganda ba pasukin ngayon? Mukhang okay naman. See, it's showing us higher highs this time and higher lows. Next bounce ito, pwede nyo pasukin. Overall, si Rolls-Royce napakababa pa naman for now. So yeah, that's looking well. Wait for it to go bounce. Meron tayong trend line dito. Just follow the trend line right there for Rolls-Royce. Good evening, Noel Kendoza. Good evening, sir. Ano po entry point mo kay Apple? Actually, papasukin ko na kaagad ngayon si Apple. Like, si Apple kasi nag-breakout. I'm gonna be entering when the market starts, right? I'm not gonna be putting in numbers or etc. I'm just gonna be getting in right away. That's for me. Ayoko na sakit ng ulo. But for me, technical analysis is good. So I'm gonna be entering today. Then whatever the market price is gonna be in the opening, I'm just gonna enter right away. Sir, maganda pa pasukin si Palantir. Maganda yung position ni Palantir. Let me just review though. Okay, Palantir. Support dito for Palantir. Right? Recent. Boom. Baba pa rin. So far so good. At least meron na siyang bullish signals. Mas mataas na yung highs niya. So, support is gonna be your best entry for Palantir. Okay? James Calatrava, good evening, Sir Lord. Request naman basics ng fundamental analysis. Basics ng fundamental analysis. I already have that. Go to youtube.com and then Lloyd Bazaar. Search for Lloyd Bazaar. Fundamentals. Right. Lloyd Bazaar Fundamentals. Wala ba? Imposible wala akong fundamentals. Ito. How to check the fundamentals of a company. So I'm just gonna...
Steve and Dave use
Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna be posting this in the comments really quick. So para panoorin nyo. I'm gonna go to YouTube really quick. Tingnan natin kung may mga comments doon. Right? Bisitahin naman natin yung YouTube. Good evening sa inyo dyan, mga nanonood through YouTube. Alright, Johnny, good evening. Lawrence, good evening po, sir. Pwede po ba kay PayPal? Sir, check out PayPal. Oh, nag-breakout din si PayPal nag-breakout siya attempt. Pag nag-breakout to, get in. Right? PayPal, one of the companies I like. I recommended these companies during the pandemic. Boom, lumipad. Bakit? Because nasa loob ng bahay lahat. Gagamitin online payments, etc. Look at that. Even through the pandemic, boom, umakyat si PayPal. So, love this stock. Still looking good. Friends. For PayPal, breakout. Pag nag-breakout yan today, pasukin nyo. Josh Onyok, good evening, Sir Lloyd. During the pandemic, ano po bang suggestion nyo kung anong company may pinakamagandang fundamentals? Those who are online, living online, Amazon, Apple, PayPal, MasterCard, Visa. Go for technology stocks, right? Yung mga, these companies are resilient sa pandemic. Sila Microsoft, sila Facebook. I'm gonna be selling my Microsoft and Facebook today because okay na ang, para sa akin, okay na ang earnings ko from them. But these are the companies that you should be looking at. Microsoft, Facebook, Dropbox. I'm gonna be selling my Dropbox also. Today, nakapending close na po yan. I'm already up 38% sa Dropbox investment ko. I'm gonna be selling that today. Tapos na diba? Wait for the next pullback and then check out these companies. The technology companies, right? That's what I can recommend. I've been recommending that nung nagsimula pa lang ang pandemic. I already recommended these companies because I know they will be resilient for the pandemic and we've been winning in them. Kiko Del Valle, congratulations. Thank you so much. Josh Onyok, sir, pwede po pa-check si ABBA. By the way, congrats from Taiwan. We covered ABBA already earlier, diba? Yeah. So, si ABBA, nagpo-pullback pa si ABBA, right? Ride it on the trend line or MA20 at the very least. Hindi naman gaano kalakasan ng momentum niya. So, you always will want to wait for a pullback at the very least for ABBA before you want to get in. Actually, nag-breakout siya dito, diba? So, next bounce pala ni ABBA. That's gonna be your support right there. So, pag nag-bounce si ABBA, that's gonna be your entry point right there. Okay, right there. Pag nag-bounce yan. Good find. Des, YouTube, where should I put this 4K? Sabi ni Bert Lobertas. Hindi umiyak si baby. Nanonood siya ng TV sa likod. And he gets pretty excited. Ayan, nakita nyo may cocomelon dyan. He gets pretty excited with the cocomelon. So, sumisigaw yan. Tumitili. Yan, hindi umiiyak. Alright. Going back sa YouTube natin. I mean, sa Facebook. Alright. Fundamentals analysis. Yun po yung video ko about fundamentals. Alright. Maybe in the future, we'll do a review about that since alam ko marami na namang newbies dito ngayon. Yeah, we can talk about fundamentals once again. But we've been talking about fundamentals for quite a while already. Siguro next season. Next season, magbalik tayo sa fundamentals. But right now, alright, let's go more of technicals. Si Jamia, I love Jamia right now. I'm looking into getting a position kay Jamia. I already told you guys the buy na to si Jamia noon pa dito. Since meron akong position noon, hindi pa ako nakabili. So I'm looking to buy Jamia in the next coming days. But yeah, it's already buy for me. I told you, buy na tayo dito kay Jamia. Even in my virtual port, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, si Jamia ba yun? Ay, sorry. Hindi ko pala na-share yung screen. STNE pala. So, si Jamia, eto, support. Buy na po yan si Jamia. Hi, sir. What about Airbnb? Airbnb. Grabe affected si Airbnb sa sa pandemic eh. But, so far, maganda naman yung galaw na ng stock niya. We have higher highs right here. There's a very strong resistance. Yun lang ang kinaayaw ko kay Airbnb right now. But hopefully, if you sideways naman siya, so you know how to trade sideways already. I've been sharing that to you guys. Go for sideways trade. So this is gonna be your support. Nag-support na noon, dapat pinasok na yan noon. Then sell on the resistance. Or if it breaks out, then that's gonna be a new position for you guys. So that's for Airbnb. This is from Nancy Catilo. Hello sir, sa copy trading, may gain na 20% sa copy trade. Can it be claimed without taking the capital? Actually, hindi po eh. Hindi pwede. Kasi, but you can remove funds basically, kung gusto nyo po yun. But it's gonna be very hard to really be specific na kukunin nyo yung 20%. Hindi po pwede yun. You can remove funds if you want to, pero mag-out of proportion na kayo sa pera nung kinokopya ninyo. Let's look at it this way. Let's say, for example, I started with $1,000 sa trades ko, and you wanna copy me with $1,000 too. So, magka-proportion tayo, di ba? Now, I'm already earning 20%, so you're earning 20% already. So, meaning, yung pera ko is $1,200 na. Kung kukunin mo yung $200, right, I have $1,200 here in my funds, and you only have $1,000. Okay? I will use the $200, let's say, to buy Facebook. You don't have the $200 anymore to buy Facebook, so you won't be able to copy my future trades. So it's gonna I hope you get my point. It's gonna mess up the proportion of your copying, so I don't recommend that. Kung gusto nyo, kunin nyo lahat and then start with $1,000 again to reset the proportion of your trading. Okay, that's for Janer Dianyo. Alright, Janilo, salamat po sir. You're welcome. Matt Nunez, I'll copy you sooner or later, sir. Alright, good to know, good to know. Matt Gallardo, how to assess IPOs on international stocks? Worth it ba sumali sa IPO or wait ako maging available sa market? Based kasi sa experience ko sa Airbnb and delivery bumagsak sa within a week niya ma-release sa market. It's really hard to say, right? Kasi when you're into IPOs kasi, if you want to buy an IPO, that means you are not a trader at that time. You are an investor and you believe in the future of that company. That's why you bought the IPO. You're not looking into the next week, ano yung presyo niya, ganito, because you're thinking as a trader. If you're thinking as a trader, we always will want to look at technical analysis. And there's no technical analysis during IPOs. So if ever, you're just applying the wrong mindset right there. Okay? So if you're a trader, don't buy the IPO. I don't buy IPOs because I'm a trader. Right? I will want to back it up with technical analysis. So, antayin ko muna ang technical analysis. Kasi pagpasok mo dyan, if ever you're a trader and you're looking for the short term, you're gambling. Might as well go to the casino if ever ganon. Diba? So, I hope you apply the right mindset when it comes to IPO. When you buy the IPO, that means you're an investor in that company. Hopefully, that's clear. Okay? Nga pala. Plug muna ako. It's 8:46. Guys, I have a seminar. Meron ako seminar. It's called the Trading Masterclass with Lloyd Bazaar, wherein I teach you everything I do from the preparation, my technical analysis, my execution, how I master my trades, ganito, ganyan. Everything from start to finish. Andyan po sa Trading Masterclass. If you want that, if you want access to it, go to patreon.com/lbazaar. Right? Para po yung trade eh. Right now, I have meron akong projects in helping the youth. I'm extending my influence sa mga kabataan natin. This is my little way of helping the country. Kasi alam ko ang mga Pinoy masipag. Ang kulang sa Pinoy kaya maraming mahirap is education, right? And we need influencers talaga to educate these guys, especially the young ones. So I'm gonna be doing that much. That's my solution for our country to be better. So through esports po, right? I'm helping youth through esports. If you wanna help me out, right? If you wanna donate to me, donate to my cause, punta po kayo sa Patreon. You can donate to me
with small amounts. I promise you guys, wala po mapupunta sa wallet ko dyan. Didiretso po yan sa mga kabataan na tinutulungan natin. If ever you are going to be donating bigger amounts, then I'm going to be giving you something in return, which is access to all my seminars na mga premium yon. Day trading, if you want to learn how to day trading, meron po dyan. How to trade gold and oil, meron po dyan. Mga dalawa sa mga winners ng 𝑒𝑇ORRO trading competition noon. Right? They trade gold and oil. Andyan po, how do you day trade gold and oil? Or how do you trade gold and oil? Andyan po. And then yung trading masterclass, basically, my kind of trading from start to finish. Right? It's more systematic. Kaysa ganito na bits and pieces ang tinuturo ko sa inyo. Magulo eh. Right? If you want that, go to patreon.com/lbazar. Abangan nyo rin po, if you want a Stocks Ed style na teaching from me, we're making it right now. Pero in the future pa po yun. So in the future, hopefully you get it also. Go to stocksed.com. Yan, stocksed.com. If you don't know stocksed.com yet and you're a newbie, you're missing a lot. Right? Go to stocksed.com. Meron kami mga free lessons dito for you. Right? The free lessons are going to be very important for you. This is going to be a very good fundamentals. This is going to be a very good base for your knowledge in the stock market. So check this out. Get your free courses here. And then if you wanna up your knowledge base, meron po diyang premium courses. Use this code right here, 𝐿Bazar, to get a discount to get the premium courses. Okay? And 𝑒𝑇ORRO, if you want me to trade for you instead, if hindi pa talaga kayo marunong mag-trade, or really trading is not for you, right? There are people who likes the idea of earning and trading but doesn't want to go through the stress of learning how to trade. If trading is not for you, then I can trade for you. Copy me. Create an 𝑒𝑇ORRO account. Or not me. Andyan po. Ang dami pong mas magaling pa sa akin na traders dito sa 𝑒𝑇ORRO. You can copy this guy. Ito si Janilo. Sa Future 101. Or you can copy Fund Manager Zek. Already gave me 42% in just 6 months. You can do that. Just when you create an 𝑒𝑇ORRO account, use that link in the video description. That's going to be helping me a lot to continue these programs that I'm doing also. So thank you so much for doing that. All right, let's go back to the comments. Good evening, sir. Nice photo cover. Nga pala. Si Stocksed, the team is Stocksed. Thank you so much for the cover photo natin. Tingnan ko nga ulit yung cover photo natin. Ang ganda nun eh. Right. Stocksed. Here we go. Ayan. Tagal mag-load. Diba? Fading away into Derek Ramsey. Pero good boy ako. Smoggy ako. Alright. I remember this, it was few years ago, nagre-renta ako in a place near work. Right? So maraming bata. I'm a kid person, so I'm very friendly to the kids. And these kids, every morning, every time I go to work, I greet these kids. So gustong-gusto rin nila ako. Binibigyan namin sila ng mga goodies pag may Christmas, kung may birthday, etc. So they really like us, me and Apple. So the kids one time asked me what my name is. Yung mga bata, hindi nila kilala si Derek Ramsey. So I told them my name was Derek Ramsey. I keep telling them that whenever they greet me and they ask for my name. So every time na dadaan ako, sisigaw yung mga bata, hala si Derek Ramsey. Si Derek Ramsey, maglalabasan yung mga neighborhood namin, titingnan kung andun ba talaga si Derek Ramsey. Ako lang pala. So yeah, I just remember that. Alright, Piolo Cortez, good evening sir. I'm investing in MSFT opening at 213. Sell-off na po remain or lang for investing? Me, I'm selling my Microsoft. I'm just gonna be looking for future positions in the future since malaki na ang kita ko. But yeah, I think there's still good future in Microsoft. So, it's just that. Ngayon is I'm popular investor na kasi I have to be wiser, right? Much more responsible with my trade. So, I'm selling mine. I would say you sell half also kasi may parang weakness na. Jennifer Peña, good evening Sir Lloyd. Congrats on being a champion. Pa-check po si M. Fasciani. Time check is 8:52. Right, we have to end at 8:55. Pasensya na. But let's check out M. Fasciani. Alright. Antonio Emmanuel Fasciani. Alright. Ganda na performance niya this year. Right, 5 sa 2,174. He's already up 11.56%. He has 1,500 copiers. That's good. Right, show more. He's been trading for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only one negative year. But majority positive naman siya. So I like that, right? I like his performance overall. Isang year lang na negative. Hindi naman kasi perfect yan. But yeah, he trades SPX 500 and then Nasdaq, like me, my favorite market. I would say yes. This guy, 4 lang ang risk score niya. Very safe of a player, and drawdown yearly 822 for a 238% na return last year. I would say that's a very, very good trade-off. I like this guy. Check him out. Alright, thanks Jennifer Peña. Sir Lloyd, ilang taon na kanang traders? Tagal na eh. I don't know if you wanna call it trading, pero nagmamine namin ng Bitcoin dati, tapos binibenta ko depending on the market price. Alright, that's already trading. Yeah, investor for a long time. Nag-trade ako. Forgot. I was working back then. Tagal-tagal na. Ito nga ito nga daily grind, ang tagal na di ba? I mean, my Facebook page about trading has already been there for a while already. Ryan De La Fuente, hello po sir, PSEI pa lang po ako nagte-trade. Bala ko mag-global, paano po ba yung copy trading? May share ka po ba maging profit sa ganon? Pa-explain po sana buong concept ng profit at loss sa copy trading. Salamat. Siguro I'll spend the last, since it's copy trading Thursday, it might be fitting to just share what copy trading is again. Sa mga newbies na nanonood, this is what copy trading is, di ba? Copy trading is a system that is, let's say, nakapatent kay eToro. So, si eToro lang meron ito. Meron din same concept ang ibang mga brokerages about copy trading, but not all. And yung kay eToro, sila yung nauna. So, sila yung pinaka-advanced when it comes to copy trading. Copy trading works like this. Okay? So, maglalagay ka ng pera sa broker mo and then go to this area right here where you copy people. Hanap lang kayo ng gusto nyong copyin. And dito ako sa virtual portfolio. And then, let's say, for example, si 𝑥GOVO. Gusto kong kopyahin. I just click on copy and then put in whatever amount that I want to. Let's say, $500 lang gusto kong kopyahin. Then, click on copy. Then, I'll start copying 𝑥GOVO's trades. Okay? So, whatever 𝑥GOVO will earn, let's say, at the end of the year, he will, from May to December, he will earn, let's say, 20%. Then, I'm going to be earning 20% of my investment also, kay $500, 20% of that, I'm going to be earning also. Right? And then, I can stop whenever I want to. So, ang nangyayari po dyan is, automatically, ang system ni eToro will let you copy the positions of that person. And then, kung mag-trade siya, bibili siya ng Microsoft, let's say 10% of his portfolio. 10% ng funds mo, ibibili rin ng Microsoft. If magbebenta siya, ibibenta rin yung sayo. Ibibenta niyo yung 10%, ibibenta niyo yung 10% mo sa Microsoft, and then you earn. Right? It's basically copying. Copy-paste automatic by the system. Okay? Yung pera ko, na linagay kay GioVio, hindi niya mahawakan yan. Wala akong mahawakan sa pera nyo kung kokopyahin nyo ako. Right? It's handled by eToro, and it's the system that's doing this for you. Okay? So whatever, this is for free. Wala pong bayad ang copy trading. Okay? Si GioVio, depende po sa level niya. I'm already champion. That's the name of the title today. I'm already champion. So babayaran ako ni eToro monthly for sharing my skills. Right? The more copiers that I have, the bigger I get. Okay? The better my performance, the more copiers I get. Kasi syempre, mas maraming kukopya sa akin kasi magaling ako na trader, di ba? So I'm gonna be very responsible. So it's a win-win for both of us. That's copy trading. And if you want to stop anytime, you can stop anytime. That's the beauty of copy trading. Sounds too good to be true, but it really is, right? One of the things na too good to be true na andyan talaga, right? So that's copy trading, and that's gonna be it for me this evening. If ever magka-copy trade kayo, if you wanna create an eToro account, just make sure you create an account using my link andyan po sa video description. That helps me a lot to continue this program. And yeah. Right. Maraming salamat. Make sure you use that link. That's gonna be it for me today. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.